Okay, Maparania, don't wanna even waste your time. Urile Mufukeng is under pressure. I can tell you that. So, okay, fine. In Morocco, the guys were there asking a question here and there. How is the mood? Yeah, Bafana Bafana. How are you feeling with your role coming off from the bench, trying to be that impact player? And he gave, professional answers as you'd expect from a player, yeah, Orlando Pirates, that has been under media training for such occasions. However, slip of a tongue, he gave us exactly how he's feeling about his career at Orlando Pirates. But first, let's start about what Lawrence Kohler asked him about the pressure you get to feel as a youngster playing for a team like Orlando Pirates and being part of a national team at such a huge occasion like an AFCON tournament. So let's hear what the boy had to say.
Feel about all the attention that you get?
I don't think I really give enough attention to pressure because pressure will always be there as a footballer. So I think you must just avoid pressure and just do your job. Your job will work for you and will talk for you. So yeah, I think your work will do the talking, then pressure will come around. Yeah.
And just how is the spirit in the camp?
Okay, fine. That was professional. I mean, pressure, the attention, doesn't let it go up to his head. He just let his work do the talking. I mean, that's anybody and everybody what they would say. However, you will now understand what is going on the next one because somebody from Far Post somehow just got to question him about if he was given an opportunity or whatsoever, would he move to another country for another club? How is he feeling with maybe the transfer talks being stalling and all that? This is now what he had to say.
If something can be available for me, if I can get a chance somewhere in another country, I can maybe go somewhere. I think it would be a very good move. So I think playing this tournament is very important in get cases also. So yeah, I think when I get a chance, I'll just have to grab it.
Okay, from my take, the boy is under pressure. Definitely, he's feeling the heat. I mean, it's part of that age group, that whole core that of youngsters that just made it, like our Muhankota, our Mbegezeli Mbogazi. And remember, like I did talk about this on my previous video, that looking at Uribe William Fukeng and being the player that was actually the first one to be the talk of the town, and now he's still at Orlando Pirates. Probably do you know that those rumors, here and there, that will he ever leave Orlando Pirates? For me, it's a tricky situation because when you come up and say if something can be available for you and you're willing to, go to play to another country just like that. I'm not sure if he carefully thought about these words that he uttered with his mouth because really, he could have just said, right now, he's not really focused about playing in another country for another team. I understand his transfer talk time, etc. But he's focused on the national team. He's focused on helping Orlando Pirates win the league, something that has eluded them for so many years. But instead, he also fell into the trap where the media, and what's funny is, it's not just any journalist from another country, it was our own South African journalist that actually probed him to actually give us this response. So for me, it's tricky because is it the pressure of seeing Muhankota and Begezeli leaving and you still behind? Is it you also want to go? Or are you thinking you'll never get to go? It will end up being a Munapule Saleng situation. Even though Yaga Saleng, it was maybe something that has to do with finances whatsoever. But we have a Lucas Ribeiro situation that just occurred in the previous transfer window with Mamelodi Sundowns. Are we going to end up having this kind of situation or not? And I just want to pop up something because his father has been talking about your Barcelona, has been talking about this, and he actually came out now and said that this season he doesn't want to see William Fukeng playing in the Betway Premiership. Coming out now and saying that you're applying pressure to the team, saying that this January transfer window, William Fukeng must leave Orlando Pirates. I don't understand really how does this operate because Orlando Pirates, when they get you an international contract, best believe it's the best contract you could ever get from SAFA, whether PSL, whatever team from South Africa going internationally. I'll make an example. From the olden days, Uchomo Sono, Kaiser Mutaung himself, they went to America, they did their thing. They came back, they did their thing and they're still doing their thing. Fine, let's fast forward a little bit. Oh, John Mabizela, well, you know what he did with his career, but in North London, he was given the chance. Even right now, we can fast forward to Mohaun Kota. He's doing phenomenal stuff and he's playing against the very best, Cristiano Ronaldo. You find Mbogazi, he's going to be playing against the very best, Lionel Messi. So I don't know, when he says something available, what does he have in mind? With 17 appearances this season, 1 goal and 2 assists. What kind of a club are you striking interest with those numbers? It's a tricky one. So people that are influencing William Fuking and this one, really, it's not going to end well. And I hope Orlando Pirates are cautious about this, because we can't afford to lose more players. It's fine, we can lose them, give them to international clubs. But what do we get in return? How are we making sure that that revenue is working good for our team? So yeah, my concern basically was just about William Fuking coming out, making these comments, being under pressure, but yet not producing on the field as well, but expecting maybe a big club, a good club will just come up around and just pick you up. That's not really going to happen anytime soon, but it's interesting. So tell me what you think now at Juju. In fact, anybody, especially those that are interested in our players for the national team. A move away for William Fuking, would it be good for him? Will it make him play for the FIFA World Cup? Because we've seen with Cassius Mailou, did get a move away and his career just dwindled from our eyes. So it's something that is problematic. But other than that, I'd just like to cap on this video right here. For me, William Fuking is feeling the heat. He's under pressure. Is it safe to keep him? I do not know. I'll let you tell it. But X has marked the spot. I'm out.